Toy Story is a fun movie about toys. The toys are alive, but humans don't know. Andy is a little boy. His favorite toy is Woody. Woody is a cowboy toy. Woody likes to be the leader, and one day Andy gets a new toy, Buzz Lightyear. Buzz is new, cool, and very popular. Woody feels jealous. He is scared to lose Andy. Then Woody and Buzz get in trouble. They leave the house by accident. Now they need to go back home. On the way, they meet problems and scary moments, but also funny moments too. Little by little, they start to help each other. They learn to be friends and work as a team. In the end, Woody and Buzz understand something important. Friendship is stronger than jealousy. Hello, I am Thiago and this is English Now TV. Let's learn English.
Go talk to him, Sheriff.
Well, hi there, sir. My name is Woody, and, nobody cares.
What fearsome dinosaurs are these?
Who?
Greetings! I am Reptilus Maximus.
And I am, my name's Trixie. It's Trixie.
You're not like our females.
Oh, you're quite a unique specimen yourself.
Now let's learn a useful word we can use to describe something scary and strong. The word is fearsome. Fearsome means very scared or strong and scary. If something is fearsome, you feel afraid of it. For example,
Now, where is that? Hey, who moved my doodle pad way over here? How you doing, Rex?
Were you scared? Tell me honestly.
I was close to being scared that time.
Oh, I'm going for fearsome here, but I just don't feel it.
But heed this warning. The Master Emerald is guarded by a fearsome warrior, and to seize...
Oh, adorable, yet fearsome. Please,
in Toy Story, you can say Sid looks fearsome because he's mean and the toys are scared of him. So remember, fearsome is very scary.
Andy threw us out!
Like we were garbage. Junk. He called us junk.
How could he?
This doesn't make any sense.
I should have seen this coming. It's Emily all over again.
Sarge was right.
Yeah, and Woody was wrong.
Wait a minute, hold on. This is no time to be hysterical.
It's the perfect time to be hysterical.
Should we be hysterical?
Now!
Yes.
Maybe, but not right now.
Yeehaw! Fellas, I know what to do.
So let's go to the next word, hysterical. Hysterical has two common meanings, and the context tells you which one it is. If the context is very funny, it's when you laugh a lot. So if something is hysterical, it is super funny.
But half fridges is starting.
Mini fridge, you took my shelf full of fish. What do you have to say for yourself?
I guess I'm a little shellfish.
And about a third of the audience is like, But the funny thing was at the end, it's like, good night, everybody!
That's hysterical. That's fantastic. I saw
The other context is very upset or out of control. It's when you show strong emotions. So if someone is hysterical, they are crying, shouting, or panicking, and they can't calm down.
Hysterical.
Am I a little bit hysterical?
Logical response. PTSD, mass hysteria.
My niece is not hysterical.
One easy tip to remember, hysterical is too much emotion, too much laughing, or too much crying or panic. So when you hear hysterical, ask, is this about laughing or being upset? Now, a quick message before we continue. If you like learning English in a simple and fun way, please subscribe to the channel, click like and share this video with a friend who wants to improve English too. And remember, we also have our easy English books. It's simple, clear, and perfect for beginners. It costs less than a coffee, yeah, less than a coffee, and it can help you practice every day. Now, let's continue and learn more English together.
Woody was right. We all should have been safeguarding the utensil.
Why isn't Woody back yet?
Do you think he's lost?
Buzz, what do we do?
What do we do, Buzz? Buzz, what do we do?
well,
What do we do, Buzz?
I,
What do we do, Buzz? Buzz, Buzz.
What would Woody do?
Yeah, jump out of a moving vehicle.
What would Woody do?
It's a secret mission in uncharted space. Let's go.
I think I have to go.
Where are you going? Why?
Should we all go? Are we going?
No time to explain. Attack.
No time to explain.
Our next word is Uncharted. Uncharted means not explored or not known. We use Uncharted to talk about a place, situation, or experience that no one has discovered or studied before. If something is uncharted, it is new, unknown, and maybe a little uncertain. So, uncharted is something not discovered yet. It can be about a real place like land or sea, or about a life situation, like something new that you have never experienced before.
Oh, you almost had it.
I'm never gonna defeat Zurg.
Sure you will, Rex. In fact, you're a better Buzz than I am.
But look at my little arms. I can't press the fire button and jump at the same time.
Our next word is defeat. Defeat means to win against someone in a fight, game, or competition. If you defeat someone, you are the winner and the other person loses. It can be used as a verb, like they defeat the enemy or our team defeat them. It can also be a noun. The team suffered a defeat. This means they lost. We also use defeat in life situations, not only in games. For example, you can defeat a problem, defeat fear, or defeat a bad habit. So, defeat is to win against someone or something. And before you go, here's a question for you. Which word from this video surprised you the most? Answer in the poll in this video and tell us what you think in the comments. Now you learned a new English word and you are getting better step by step. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It is about practicing a little every day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And check out our easy English books to practice even more. See you in the next video and let's keep learning together.